I don't know about you, but growing up, quick meals were always a lifesaver, especially on busy mornings or long days when everyone just needed something filling and comforting. This quesadilla recipe saves so much time, especially on days when you're rushing out or you do not want to spend time in the kitchen. You can put everything together easily using simple ingredients I've listed in the description box below. I started by seasoning my diced chicken breast. I added paprika, salt, Maggi, Cayenne pepper, thyme, and a little bit of soy sauce. Then I mixed everything well until the chicken was fully coated. If you have lemon, you can add a little for balance. Cover it and let it set aside or marinate for about 10 to 30 minutes. All the ingredients used are listed in the description box below. For the quesadilla fillings, I used tortilla wraps, mozzarella cheese, sliced bell peppers, onions, spring onions, and hot dogs. I heated the pan with a little oil and added the marinated chicken. I covered it and let it cook and allowed the water to dry completely, giving it a good mix in between so it stays juicy and flavorful. You can decide to air fry the chicken if you want, but pan cooking works perfectly for me. In the same pan, I added a little oil and sauteed the bell peppers, onions, spring onions, and hot dogs. I seasoned lightly with the same spices I used earlier and cooked everything quickly so it stays fresh and crunchy. I then lowered the heat and lightly greased my pan and placed one tortilla wrap in. I added the cooked chicken, veggies, cheese, and a quick mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, and ketchup. You can decide to make this as a sauce. You just only need to add a squeeze of lemon and a little honey. But you can also go straight in if you're short on time and you need to be very quick. I folded the tortilla over, pressed gently, and tossed it until it was golden brown on both sides. I then repeated this process until everything was done. These quesadillas can be served on their own or paired with chips and ketchup for a more filling meal. They are comforting, satisfying, and perfect for busy days when you still want something homemade. This is one of those recipes you will always come back to. Would you be trying out this recipe? Let me know how you would serve yours. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves easy homemade cooked meals. I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.